All right, this is Miss Wu, and we're here today. We're doing, you guys are guinea pigs for us today. All right. We developed a little online thing to teach fractions, and we're testing it out on you guys today to see how well we did. Alrighty. So to help us out on this, what we need you guys to do is we need you guys to try your best. Okay. Be good listeners. So you're going to need your headphones because there are 3 videos that you'll be watching as part of this lesson. All right, so you have to listen really carefully to the videos and try your best on the questions. All righty. The way this is set up is it won't let you go on to the next question unless you've answered the question that you're on. Okay? So you really have to try your best and try to answer the questions correctly. Okay? And we'd like you to try to do this all by yourself. All right? Miss Wu and I will each sit with one of you guys. Okay? And we'll kind of just be sitting there and watching you just to see what you do. All righty? Just so we can take some notes and see if we can figure out some ways to make this better. Okay? And then when you're done, if we happen to sit with you, then we're going to ask you a few questions about it too. All righty? Okay. So, on your computers, alrighty, when you get them in just a moment, you'll have a new email, alrighty, in your Gmail account. And I believe it's called Math Experiment, okay? But it should be the first email in your email there. And when you open up that email, you'll get a link, alright? And when you click that link, it'll take you to this page. So how do I get to this page?
Gmail.
Okay. How do I get to this page? Yep.
We go into our computers onto our email, and at the top of it, it will show it like something about like math or something like that.
Okay.
We click on that, and then we click on the link that it shows, and we'll be there.
Very good. Okay. So once you get here, all right, there's a couple of important things that you have to do. First thing that you have to do is, of course, you need to put your name in. All righty. Just your first name is fine. Okay? And then the second really important thing is that you put in your class. Okay? So I know Mrs. Shun Mitchell, she goes by MSM. Do you guys have a short version?
It could just be Mrs. C.
Okay. Mrs. C. That'll work. Okay?
Or RC. Yeah, you could do RLC.
RLC? Okay. All right, so we'll do RLC, okay? And that's important, so that way we know when we go to look at everybody's questions later, we know which kid came from which class, okay? So that's important. All right, once you have that in and you click continue, then that'll take you into the activity. Now for this activity, you will need a piece of paper, okay? And I meant to bring some, but I forgot it back at the office. So we'll need a piece of paper, alrighty, and for the videos, alright, kind of small, right? Alright, now we discovered in Miss Shun Mitchell's class that on your Chromebooks, you can't make the video bigger, alright? When we put this together, we were planning on you just clicking this little square here and making it full screen so you could see it, but I guess you can't do that on the Chromebooks, and we didn't know that, okay? So the video is really small, all right? But the audio is just fine. So just listen, all right? And just watch it carefully. And you should be able to do just fine. All righty? Okay, real quick. How do I get to the start page? How do I get to the start page? Yep.
We check our email.
Good. Okay? And remember, in your email, there's what? There's a link, right?
And then we click on that link, then we write our name, and then RLC, and then enter.
Okay, good. So, remember, yep, you need to put your name, you need to put your class, and once you've done that, then you can get started. Okay. So go right ahead, you'll need your computers, headphones,